Hi, I want to introduce you to Nikhaar. Nikhaar is the brainchild of a 50-year-old culmination in dealing in diamonds, where we wanted to give the retail experience to our clients. We call ourselves the creative jewelry destination. So when we say jewelry, we just don't create any jewelry and a piece of gold or diamond. We try to create a piece of art, and our intention is to always give one of a kind and one piece to the consumer, so that they feel that they have got a unique piece. They feel that they have got something which is unique to them, and they can cherish for the lifetime. We are exhibiting at the Jewellery Show at Sheraton Grand on the 18th, 19th and 20th of January, being one of the first shows in 2020. We hope to see you there, and we hope that we will be able to convince you and showcase our creative jewelry. Thank you.